Welcome back to another video. I haven't had a chance recently to get out on any adventures, so this video is a little bit different to what I've been making. A while ago we were down in Cornwall for 2 weeks, just below Newquay on the north coast. And the first week was nice, second week was a heat wave, and on our last evening everything was like building up and we had a really nice thunderstorm. The cloud formations were amazing, and just as it was getting dark the lightning started, so I thought I'd get the phone out, point it in the rough direction of the lightning and put it on slow-mo and see if I could catch some, and I was really pleased with how it turned out. So after a bit of editing and everything and trying to slow it down a bit more, because lightning happens so quick, a blink of an eye, and it's amazing what you can see when you slow it down quite a lot. So that's what I've done. Used the, like I said, the slow-mo on the iPhone, and then slowed it down in editing even more. And luckily I caught some really amazing bits of lightning, more flukes than anything really, I think. But yeah, that's what this video is. It's like the build up to the storm, like all the lovely cloud formations and stuff, and then the lightning. So yeah, I'll stop blabbering and let you watch my video.